Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you how to create this sort of sticky call to action footer bar with a live call button and other things. And we just threw this little global footer together very quickly. What we're going to do today is show you how to use dynamic content to keep the date always current on your copyright statement down there. This is going to be a very short video today. Really easy to do, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is go to my theme builder. For anybody that doesn't know how to get there, dashboard, down to Divi and theme builder. And here's the global footer we created yesterday. I'm going to hit the edit. And once loaded, let's go to our module here, and it looks like I spelled copyright incorrectly there, obviously. Like I say, we threw that together very quickly just so we could demonstrate the sticky call to action bar there. So I'm going to go into this module. I'm going to delete all of the content that we've got there. And if we just roll over the text area here, you'll see a little disk type icon there. This is for adding dynamic content. And for anybody that doesn't know, dynamic content is pulled directly from your server, so it's always updated. So if we just left click on there, it'll ask us what we want to insert, and you can have archive, title, post, excerpt, etc, etc, all kind of stuff here. But of course the thing that I want is the current date. And as you can see, it's popped up a little box and it's asking us what we want to put before the date and what we want to put after the date, which is ideal for copyright. So let's write copyright and see if I can spell it right today. And then we'll put the copyright symbol in. That's what they call an alt code. So simply hold down your alt key and type in 0169. We'll put a space, then we'll have the dynamic content, which is the date there. After it, let's put another space and we'll put a pipe in there. A pipe is just above the enter key, just to the right of the brackets up there. And let's put the company name in. And whatever you want to say. And as you can see, it should populate it up here. There we go, we've got copyright January 28th, 2021. System 22, all rights reserved, which is fine, but perhaps you might just want the year. I mean, having the date's fine, that's going to increment every day, so tomorrow it's going to show 29th and what have you. But if you just want the year, and you'll never have to update it again, you can do that in a date format. And you can see the different formats here. And they don't have one actually for the year, but it's very simple. If you look at the abbreviations up here, M is for the month, J is for the day, and Y is for the year. So if we go into custom and we put a capital Y, and it has to be capital. If you put a lowercase y in there, it'll just put the 21, not the 2021 in there. As you can see, that says copyright 2021. That's going to work for me today. Save our changes. Save the page changes here. Now we can exit out. Make sure everything's saved here. Go back to our site and refresh. And that'll change to copyright spelt correctly. Everything else will stay the same, but it will be dynamic. And we've got all rights reserved after that. 2021 will be dynamic, so it'll update every year. So let's refresh and make sure it's going to work. There we go, copyright 2021, System 22, all rights reserved. Really easy. Like I said, it's a very short video today, but that's how to update your copyright statement with dynamic content, so you'll never have to update it again. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.